Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Now we will study about evaluation and types of evaluation, mainly formative and summative evaluation. Then after we discuss about diagnostic and prognostic test and concept and uses. Then after criterion and norm reference test. Then its concept and usage. Now we start about types of evaluation mainly. There are two types of evaluation. First, summative evaluation, and second, formative evaluation. First of all, we read about formative evaluation. Evaluation which is done very frequently in regular intervals of time is called formative evaluation. It is a type of evaluation used to monitor students' learning progress during instructional with the purpose of providing the feedback to both the students and teachers regarding the success or failure of teaching learning process. As and when a situation demands, child is being evaluated whenever it is required. Examples: focus group discussions, interviews, teacher evaluation, unit test, etc. It is purely done by classroom teacher. Now, purpose and importance of formative evaluation. First, to provide feedback for teachers to modify subsequent learning activities and experiences, to identify and remediate group or individual deficiencies, to move focus away from achieving grades and onto learning processes in order to increase self-efficacy and reduce the negative impact or extrinsic motivation. Major purpose of formative evaluation is to make adjustments is an educational activities as soon as they are needed. Students find opportunity to revise and refine their thinking by means of formative assessment. And these all are the purpose and importance of formative evaluation. Now we move on to next point, summative evaluation. We discuss about summative evaluation and its definition. It is type of evaluation which is done at the end of the instructional processes or course to know the extent of learning of the child or the mastery attained by the child. Used to evaluate a student's learning, skills, acquisition and academic achievement at the conclusion of a defined instructional period, typically at the end of a project, unit, course, semester, program or a school year. It is the most traditional way of evaluating student work. And examples of summative evaluation are exams, portfolios, quiz and test, etc. Are all about summative evaluation. Now we discuss about purpose and importance of summative evaluation. First, to evaluate learners' success in retaining content knowledge through types of assessment such as traditional paper or pencil test. A tool used to evaluate the curriculum and training processes, to assess the learner's achievement at the end of a teaching learning process, for instance at the end of the unit. Measures the learner's attainment of specific objectives at the end of a given period of time. Next, put light on the ultimate effectiveness of the overall processes or training that is carried out. Next, to measure the effectiveness of curriculum, teaching methods and programs. Now we will discuss about differences between formative evaluation and summative evaluation. Formative, it is almost internal in nature, but summative is almost external in nature. Focuses on process, but it focuses on product. It is diagnosed in nature, but summative by nature it is evaluative. It proceeds from to whole, it is summarized as a whole. Formative, it happens in regular interval of time, but summative happens at the end of the course. Formative monitors a student's learning, but summative evaluates a student's learning. Formative is assessment for learning, but summative is assessment of learning. Formative provides a student with feedback, but summative yields a specific score or result. Example of formative evaluation: unit test, feedback, etc. and summative are exams, quizzes,